so weird. All right, what do we have here? Mark from Indianapolis asks, I'm currently working at a startup, but I would like my next job to be on the investment side. What's the best way to make that transition? It's a great question, Mark from Indianapolis. I, about 2 years ago, was in a very similar position. I'd been working at a startup for about 4 years, starting as the 6th employee, and by that time we were close to 200 employees. And I was really thinking about what I wanted to do next. And I think what clicked and what I realized was when you're working there, you have a front row seat to what we do on the venture capital side. Every day you're learning something that can be super valuable as you think about assessing companies from the venture capital perspective. Whether you're scaling an engineering team, or you're thinking about a go-to-market strategy, or you're building out the financial projections for a business, that's really important stuff that we look at from a venture capital perspective. Not to mention, if you're working at a startup, you probably have VCs that are on your board. So think about who you can network with. So you have, whether it's a Series A investor or Series B investor, you have people there that could be huge resources as you think about what you can do and who to talk to. So leverage those resources, leverage your network. You also probably have some people who have left your company and started to do other cool things. So talk to them, see what they're doing. And then think about what you're passionate about. So for me, I really, really like investing in healthcare. I think it's an awesome opportunity to take technology and apply it to something that can have a real impact. And the more and more I thought about it, the more impact I could have on the venture capital side. This only works if you're really, really passionate about something that you're doing. So figure out what that is and then dig into it. Pretend you already have the money. Think about it as if you're already an investor and you can already go out and you can find those really interesting companies and make those investments. That will give you the baseline to then have conversations with venture capitalists about potentially working with them. But the true answer is there's no one way to do it. The venture capital world is a very small, very niche job that the best way to get in it is to talk to a bunch of people that are doing it. So take advantage of what you have. Take advantage of what you already know and see where that takes you. That's kind of what I did, and now I'm here and I've been at Drive for about 1.5 years and it's awesome. Is that it? Am I done? No idea what I said. I blacked out.